Didn't even know Chinese were this strong, or Japanese. All right, cruisies, first time that we actually have Frankie Boy outside when it's fully built. The 40 is also almost all prepared and ready. All I need to do is finish up some touch-ups on the chassis, and then we're gonna put the wheels on it and hopefully get it started this week. The electrician said one more week and we can get it hopefully started and start driving it. I want to use this as a daily driver for a little bit just because I don't work so far from work. In regards to Frankie, the engine's in, it's an LS3. I want to put a supercharger on it, but I'm just trying to, obviously the funds were not as easy to get. So hopefully as soon as I achieve my fund goal, I can put the supercharger on and get the wiring done as well. The plan for Frankie is to Hell-Tech all the way across, and that's with the PD16 and all that system that we won't have any fuses. So hopefully I can learn through the process by watching YouTube and just trying to figure it out myself. I want to do the body work, the panels on this vehicle. I've never done any body work with the actual welder, a MIG or a TIG. I want to start using both so I can learn how to do it properly, and that way too I can be proud of the job that I have accomplished. I was thinking about sending the cab out to have someone do it, but I decided that I want to do it myself and I want to learn the process. And the same thing with the electrical. I was just going to send it to someone for them just to do the whole thing, and I'm trying to avoid that just because once you do something to the vehicle, you get the awareness, you know what's going on. Pretty much with Shorty, I've done everything from, you know, from the beginning to the end. Obviously the welding, I had someone else do it just because I'm not experienced enough and I didn't want to risk it on Shorty. But on Frankie, I want this car to be built mostly with either me learning the process or hustling to pay someone to do it. So really good partners that we have, that they always help me and they're just so quick to send things in. It's a shame that it only came into stock now. So I actually bought it from the States, and I'll have you guys give me your opinion, see what you think. I bought from the States. Don't mind Heidi, she'll be coming in and out of the camera because she's trying to film it for us to have it on Instagram. So we'll have some close-up of it. So I bought it from the States, these guys. And I'm doing this video as well because a lot of people are always asking me, where'd you get the parts from? These I got it from the States. And I'm gonna try to have, I was going to have them installed. I was never a big fan of these. I haven't even opened, these are OEM parts. I haven't even opened, I've never been a big fan of the round mirrors. And then I put a little notification on Good State on the website for them to let me know when things come through. So I got a notification this week that this came through and it's in stock, so I couldn't stop myself. So I bought two things, which I'm still gonna decide if I'm going to use this version or the other version, which I'll show you guys. I actually prefer this version just because it goes in the body and I already have the holes for it, but we'll have to see what looks best. The best thing about these guys, if you're in Queensland, they're local. I literally put the order in Thursday, got it at Friday. I'll send you guys to show you guys the receipt. It was crazy. And if you're impatient like me, you want it and you want it now to see and to have it. We'll throw this on the floor now. Okay, so what I ordered from them. I'll show you guys the difference. Close to my assistant, Heidi. So you guys can see, here's the difference in between both. This one will go on the door hinge and it's twisted. This one is just a straight version. So you guys will give me your opinion which one you think is best. And also I already opened this one because I know I'm going to use it. This is OEM, and I personally love the look of something that with more of a circular look, maybe because that's more towards the 60s. As you see in this car, you have the 60s style. This cab is actually a 1966. Check these out. So these are round.
Put it down a bit. Yeah, nice.
So it's pretty cool. So now I just need to decide, how do you just bring the cameras around here?
Yeah.
There, thank you. So I need to decide which option I'm going to go with. Either I'm going to go here, and obviously pointing up. Maybe I'll just put it on so you guys can see. So I have my little tool here. Just need use one of these. So this version, need a bigger tool. Oh, here. Okay, so this version actually goes here. That. And the other one, they only have one in stock at the moment. So see, that goes like that. And this guy, oh, I'll grab size 13. So I just need to decide which one I'm gonna pick to go with. I think just putting it here, I already made the decision which one I want. Just because it looks a lot better already. Pretty much. Hopefully I don't already drop it. Oh, silly. This way. Little mistake there, okay. Up here.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much how it's gonna look. So yeah, so that's option one, or the other option would be with this guy that I didn't really want to open the bag, but I'll do it. Sorry, good state. Not installing it just so I can see where it goes. And this would be the other option, which goes here.
That's so cool.
And that would sit there on the door. It's so tight. So yeah, so the other one would go here once I loosen it up. So I'm not sure which one I like. Let us know which one you prefer. How do you do a quick close-up of this one?
Yeah. I'll bring the camera.
I'll give you the little badong-badong.
Yeah, I prefer that one. Very nice. Yeah.
Okay, I'm not even going to try to install this one. So the cool thing about this one as well is that it can be there. You can loosen this up, I think. I never even touched one of these guys. But,
Oh.
see, and you can choose the height that you want.
Nice.
And you time it up. Depending on what height you decide. On that size. Size 10. So let's say you want it there. And that's it, team. Once again, Shorty's almost done. Frankie, we don't even need to do a vote. I think Heidi and I like this one best. This will be the twisted version that I want to leave the door clear. And I'm also putting on this car the old school windows as well. They have the little vent. Right now I have the full window. So I'll just have to post this stuff for sale and then see if someone wants it. Thanks guys, appreciate you guys watching. We appreciate the support. And we're trying to build the YouTube as well, just because we know that's where people actually spend time watching the longer videos. So support us.
Bye.
Come on, my high five.